Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Pranay Kishore. In this video, we will be diving into the concept of inheritance and polymorphism and how it applies to programming in Apex. We will use a real-world basic example related to phone to make it easier for beginners to grasp. Let us get started. First, let us understand what is inheritance. In object-oriented programming, classes can exhibit a property of acquiring some common traits and states from others' classes. In other words, it is defined as the mechanism by which the child class gets to inherit the features, i.e., fields and methods of the parent class. It offers code reusability and also assists in runtime polymorphism. Polymorphism is a concept which describes the process of performing a single action in different ways. In short, polymorphism means many forms. In object-oriented programming language, we can declare multiple methods with the same name until they have different characteristics or parameters. Let's understand through a simple use case. The idea behind inheritance is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Apex supports single inheritance. We will exhibit both inheritance and polymorphism concepts through a use case. Let us create a class called phone and define specifications of phone like operating system, body, SIM properties. Then we shall create another class called iPhone, which acts as child class and get few properties from phone class. iPhone class also has few properties which will be overridden. Before we proceed, let's us understand about few keywords that are important in creating inheritance. Virtual. Virtual keyword declare a class or method that allows extension and overrides. We can't override a method with the override keyword unless the class or method has been defined as virtual, which means a class allows extension only when it is a virtual class, and if method is virtual then allows overrides in subclass. Extends. Extends is used to define a class that extends another class, which means a child class can extend a parent class using extends keyword. Override. Override is used to override the methods from parent class in child class. Super. The super keyword can be used by classes that are extended from virtual or abstract classes. By using super, you can override constructors and methods from the parent class. Note that only classes that are extending from virtual or abstract classes can use super. You can only use super in methods that are designated with the override keyword. Now, let us create a parent class called phone. I have defined a variable called device and assigned a value called phone to it. Keep a close watch on device variable as we move forward. Then I have created a non-virtual method called sim. From line 12 to 17, I am creating two virtual methods. On line 16, I have used out device variable. Let's save this class and create the child class called iPhone Pro Max. I have reassigned a different value called iPhone to the device variable. Then I have overridden the OS and body methods using override keyword. If you closely observe the lines 8 and 12, I have used super keyword to get method and variable directly from parent. Now let us create an instance and check the results in anonymous window. Line 1, I have create a new object from iPhone Pro Max class. Line 2 and 4, I have called OS and body methods which will show the overridden results. Line 3, I have called sim method which is not defined in child class. It is coming from parent class directly. Like this, inheritance makes the code reusability. After we execute these lines, the highlighted text shows the beauty of polymorphism. Same variable device is in multiple forms both as phone and iPhone. Congratulations! You've learned the inheritance and polymorphism in Apex programming using a phone and iPhone example. Thanks for watching.